Hi and welcome back to the Bad Back Gardener. My name is Kevin, and today in this video we're going to be planting some hanging baskets for the summer here. So I got some compost, I got some potting soil, and then into that I will be mixing in some Osmocote fertilizer and some TerraSorb water crystals to help out with the watering. So we'll get started with that. And some TerraSorb water crystals to help with the, and I'm not shy about putting that in because I really don't want to have to water every day if I don't have to, and this helps out if I do forget to do that. Take my rake and I'll mix it in. Okay, in this pot here, we're going to start by adding, it's called Superbell's Coralberry Punch. It's a little drier than what I'd like to have. I'm putting it in. Okay, we're back here. I had a little bit of a rain delay. It started raining, so I had to put the camera stuff away. So we're back again here. So where I left off, I had my first Coralbell, Coralberry Punch. It's a Superbell planted. So into that also, I'm going to add this. It's a dark purple maroonish sweet potato vine. There. And then that should fill in pretty good, but I'm going to add one more, maybe another flower in over on this side here. And we'll add one of these Celosia in with that. And this will trail over some, and then that should get kind of tall, so that'll be good. There's one basket done. Okay, also, all right, I got this basket filled. And into this basket here, just I'm going to try something here for a couple of the baskets to see if it makes a big difference. But I have some, it's called Charlie's Chicken Compost. It's composted chicken manure. This looks like regular soil. It doesn't smell or anything. So I'm going to add a little bit of that in, see how that does. A little bit more. Okay, now in this basket we're going to do some yellow Coralberry Punch, or this is actually lemon slice. It's a Superbell lemon slice. really wasn't root bound, so there was not a whole lot to tease there. And into that, I'm going to add some Maclois. It's more for color of the leaves. Put some of that in. And then with that, we're going to add some Vinca. And those will don't look a whole real full now, but they'll spread out and fill this in, and this will droop over the sides. So that'll be good for this basket. Okay, and this one here, I got a wave petunia, so that'll go over the side here pretty good. Very deep though. Always want to tease your roots if it's root bound. Tease them out. And then I'm going to put a Dusty Miller in with that and give it some height. And that'll go good with the pink too, as well. And then we're going to throw in Celosia. I'm not really planning this out too much, so it's just kind of being creative with the flowers. And I'm going to throw in some Vinca too for some color. Okay, for the last one, got it all ready to go here. We're going to be cleaning. We'll call that one done. This is another coral bell. It's called Sweet Tart Coral Bell. And it's pink with yellow centers to it. Okay. And with that, I'm going to put some purple lobia in it. And also, I think I'll put a Vinca in with it. closer. And that should fill in nicely. So again, this is something you can be creative with. There's no rhyme or reason that you have to follow. Like I said in my other videos, I try and get something, especially in a hanging basket, I try and get something trailing over, something maybe with a little height too. But just try and give it a colorful basket here. So you can just be creative with what you do. So that's going to do it for this video. Catch up with me on Facebook. You can also email me at bbgardner@zoominternet.net. Send me your pictures or any of your creations that you might have come up with. It's always nice to see that and hear from people. Please also subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's always a good thing too. So thanks for watching. And if your back ain't hurting, you ain't working.